смотри, футбол. Мальчики в футбол играют, видишь?
They are students, right? I think this is only a rehearsal, practice.
Goal.
Goal? Goal?
Yeah, but
I think no.
there was this.
Oh, pull down. Ooh, they're pushing, huh? First time I see like this game. Only in TV, but actual no. They're pushing, huh? Pushing.
Punch now.
What 11 meters you will kick?
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, so we'll be winner in one side. Score. So they will go another side. Ay, almost. Ooh. Goal. Ah, no. The ball. Ooh. Ooh. The ball was there. Ah, they're not allowed to touch it by hand, huh? Only by foot.
Yes, hands not allowed in football.
Because already in the...
No.
But they can touch it by their body, by shoulder.
Only for goalkeeper allowed to touch. Only for this one guy and another one guy.
Ah,
Who on the gate.
okay.
And they allowed only inside the box. The white
The goal.
line. White line. Not the
there.
not the long, biggest one.
The small, short
there.
one.
They allowed him to touch.
That's why they touching only by shoulder.
Yeah, shoulder, chest,
Head.
but no by hand. After here.
Because I see one guy already in his face like this. Last game we will watch. Goal? That's all for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. These are the students. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below. Don't forget. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. I hope you enjoy watching.